Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, it's an very important video for the Windows user. Well, if you're using Windows 11, then it can be a jackpot for you. Why I'm telling this? Because we all faces problems with Windows 11. Today I'm going to explore a app that will going to give you fresh startup with Windows. Don't worry, it will not going to delete any of your data, but it will going to change your Windows and make your Windows easy to use. If you're using any kind of potato PC or high-end PC, it's basically give your RAM or hardware a relaxation, I guess. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, what we're going to do, we're going to first open the any of our favorite browser, and then we can simply type here winslop and click enter. And you can see right now we get a link from the GitHub. So we will going to click on this first link or first website link. And if we click on it, we can simply get some demo about this app. If you check at to the FAQ, you're going to find out that can Winslop break my system? It says any system tool can if misused, but if you're talking about Winslop, it says shows exactly what it will change, never runs anything automatically, allows changes to be reviewed and reverted. Well, we need it, right? We need it. For that, how we can simply download it? We can simply come over into the releases option. And then if we scroll down a little bit, we're going to find out the Winslop zip over here. You can see Winslop 0.45 zip. So if you click on that, it's downloaded right now. If you click on the folder icon, we're going to get this Winslop over here. So now if you select this and click on extract all and simply click on extract, here we're going to get the exe file. So we're going to click on the exe file, click on the more info and run anyway. So if you just simply minimize everything and you only get the winslop.exe app is rightly opened, and then if you click on show and actions, and here if you click on the inspect systems, it will going to find out instantly that they found issues 34. They found 34 issues in my computer. So if I just click OK, you can simply see if the settings shows with the red line, then you have to understand that this is the issues, and you simply select the issues, red ones, select them. That's it. And now if you click on apply selected changes, so if you click on that, you can simply see that the sum is selected and fixed, and now they're showing that Copilot is denied and don't show Copilot in taskbar, fix failed, because it's already not showing in my taskbar. You can simply see, and you can see something changes happen into the taskbar, that apps come through into the left side. You can simply see. So that's what happened. Fixes are completed. And now we can simply look for the app section. And into the app sections, we always feel that we installed, or maybe everything is downloaded before we started using Windows, that some apps are never be important to us in daily use computer. So we can simply select no inspection yet, and we can simply click on system apps, and we find out that we going to select this because these apps are no longer usable, or maybe they are not needed in my computer, and then simply click on apply, select and changes. And if you go through it, you can simply see that the files are removing and the app cleanup completed. And now we're going to simply go for the tools. Into the tools, we're going to find out the very important apps that are going to help you. So if I just come up into the Crisp Tights app, and it will going to install programs, tweaks, fixes, updates. So if you just click on the run utility, and you can simply run it, it will going to running the if any apps is needed to fix your computer program, it will going to work on it. And our second one is clear icon cache. You can simply work on it. And if you want to clear register point, now you can simply do this by simply click on run. Just simply select create register point and simply run it. It will going to automatically create a register point in your computer device. You can see you must run this flyup script as administrator to create register point. Oh, there is a problem I didn't show you, that whenever you want to open this app, WinSlop, you have to run it as an administrator. I completely forget it, but you have to be make sure that you do this right. Okay. Now, if you just go for the app section, no interception yet, inspect the app, and you can see right now there is no app showing. So if I just go for the tools, if I just wanted to create a register point, simply click on this point, run, and now you can simply see it's creating a register point. Wherever you permitted with the run as administrator, it will going to work properly. If you want to set the default power plan, you can simply go on it. I will going to run it as a high performance and simply run this. And the export tweaks, Microsoft Defender tweaks, all kinds of things you will going to find out over here. It's a very important app. If I just showing you with the full V. So yeah, that's it for right now. So this is how we can simply download and install this WinSlop in your computer PC. It will going to help you to fix your computer issues and make your Windows better. So thank you so much again. I hope to see you for another videos in my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and comment below what kind of videos you expected from us and what we can explore.